where the
If you think Toyota already peaked with the Land Cruiser series, then you probably haven't seen what's coming next. Because today we're not just talking about another SUV. We're talking about something that feels like Toyota quietly built a compact legend and dropped it into a modern battlefield where size, tech, and durability all collide in one machine. Before we go any further, listen carefully to this first part because every detail in this video matters. This is not a casual overview, and if you miss even a small point, you might misunderstand what this vehicle actually represents in Toyota's lineup and why enthusiasts in the USA are suddenly paying serious attention to it. Now imagine a vehicle that carries the soul of the original Land Cruiser FJ, but re-engineered for today's world where fuel efficiency, urban usability, off-road dominance, and modern design all have to exist in one package. The Toyota Mini Land Cruiser FJ is exactly that kind of idea brought into reality. It is not trying to replace the full-size Land Cruiser. Instead, it is designed to bring that legendary toughness into a smaller, more practical, and more accessible form factor. From the first glance, it already feels like Toyota. Studied what made the older FJ models iconic, and then carefully reinterpreted it for a new generation of drivers in the United States who want capability without unnecessary bulk. What makes this concept or production vision even more interesting is how Toyota seems to be targeting a very specific gap in the SUV market. On one side, you have compact crossovers that are comfortable but weak when it comes to real off-road conditions. On the other side, you have full-size off-road SUVs that are extremely capable but expensive, heavy, and sometimes impractical for daily city driving. The Mini Land Cruiser FJ sits right in the middle of that gap, aiming to deliver true off-road DNA in a size that doesn't overwhelm the driver or the fuel budget. When you look at the design language, it immediately feels like a tribute to the classic FJ heritage. The boxy shape, the upright stance, the strong fender lines, and the functional simplicity all point toward one goal: durability over decoration. In a market where many SUVs are becoming overly futuristic and soft in design, this one brings back a rugged identity that feels honest. The front fascia is expected to carry a bold grille design, paired with round or semi-round lighting elements that reference older Land Cruiser generations, but with modern LED integration that gives it a sharp and premium edge. From a US audience perspective, this design choice is extremely strategic. American buyers, especially outdoor enthusiasts, campers, and overlanding communities, still value vehicles that look and feel tough. They want something that can handle highways during the week and trails on the weekend, without needing two separate vehicles. The Mini Land Cruiser FJ is clearly aiming at that lifestyle. Now, let's talk about the platform and engineering direction. While Toyota has not positioned it as a full heavy-duty off-roader like the flagship Land Cruiser 300 series, the Mini FJ is expected to use a highly capable modular platform that prioritizes rigidity and lightweight balance. That means better handling in cities like Los Angeles or New York traffic, while still maintaining enough structural strength for rocky terrain, desert trails, and mountain paths commonly found across states like Colorado, Utah, and Arizona. Powertrain options are expected to be another major talking point. Instead of focusing purely on high horsepower, Toyota's approach is likely centered around torque delivery, reliability, and efficiency. This is where hybrid technology may come into play. A hybrid-assisted engine setup would make a lot of sense for the US market, where fuel prices and emissions standards are constantly influencing buying decisions. The idea is not raw speed, but controlled power that can handle low-speed climbing, towing light loads, and maintaining stability on uneven terrain. Inside the cabin, the philosophy shifts from rugged exterior to modern comfort. Toyota is expected to blend simplicity with technology in a way that doesn't overwhelm the driver. That means a clean dashboard layout, durable materials that can withstand dirt, sand, and outdoor use, and a digital interface that supports navigation, terrain modes, and real-time driving feedback. Unlike luxury SUVs that focus on softness, this interior is expected to prioritize usability. Every button, every screen, and every surface is likely designed with purpose. One of the most important aspects for US buyers is safety and driver assistance. Toyota has consistently led in this area, so it is expected that the Mini Land Cruiser FJ will come equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, hill descent control, and terrain response systems. These features make it not just an off-road vehicle, but also a confident daily driver for long highway commutes. Now, let's address the most important question people are asking. Why does this vehicle even matter in today's SUV market? The answer is simple. The SUV industry in the United States has become extremely saturated. Most compact SUVs look similar, drive similarly, and offer very little emotional connection. The Mini Land Cruiser FJ brings identity back into the equation. It is not trying to be everything for everyone. Instead, it is trying to be the modern definition of a compact adventure vehicle. Imagine driving this through the city during the week, then heading out to the Grand Canyon or Yosemite on the weekend without worrying about road conditions. That is the exact lifestyle Toyota is targeting. And that's why this model is already creating buzz even before its full official release in many markets. From a performance expectation standpoint, it is important to stay realistic. This is not a sports SUV. It is not designed to compete with high-speed performance machines. Its strength lies in consistency, durability, and confidence in unpredictable environments. Whether it's rain-soaked highways, snowy mountain roads, or sandy desert trails, the Mini Land Cruiser FJ is expected to deliver stable traction and predictable control. Another key point is customization potential. Toyota vehicles in this category often become a favorite among aftermarket enthusiasts. Roof racks, off-road tires, lift kits, lighting upgrades, and camping setups are all expected to become part of the ecosystem around this vehicle. This makes it not just a product, but a platform for lifestyle building. When we compare it indirectly to competitors in the US market, it sits in a very unique position. Most compact SUVs from other brands lean heavily toward comfort or luxury. Very few maintain a true off-road identity at this size. That gives the Mini Land Cruiser FJ a distinct advantage.